You feel like you're behind, like everyone's passing you, like you're doing everything right, but getting nowhere. I know that feeling. What if I told you slowing down might be the thing that actually moves you forward? I'm not here to tell you to hustle harder. I'm here to tell you the truth because this changed everything for me. Every day you scroll past people winning 6 figures a month, dream bodies, endless productivity, and you start to think maybe I need to do more, grind harder, sleep less. But all that did for me was burn me out. I was chasing goals with no purpose. I looked productive, but I was lost. And I bet you might be too. Slowing down taught me to focus. I started asking myself what actually matters. I stopped copying everyone else and started building my own thing. In the gym, I tracked progress instead of chasing PRs for no reason. In business, I stopped chasing 10K months and started mastering my skill first. In mindset, I finally stopped running from stillness. Because when you're quiet, you start to hear what you have been avoiding. One night, I sat in my room. No distractions, no noise. Just me, my thoughts, and the truth I did not want to admit. I was afraid of failing, of not being good enough for my family, my friends, and people close to me, of wasting time. That's when I realized going slower does not mean you're weak. It means you're building something that lasts. So, if you feel stuck, don't just sprint. Step back, breathe, and ask yourself, who am I building this for? So, my conclusion for the day is take your time, trust God's timing. You're not falling behind, you're falling into place. If this hit you, then it was not by accident. I make videos for people like you, the ones trying to level up for real. So if you're serious about growth, hit the subscribe button and just know I'm rooting for you from afar. See you on the next one. Cheers.